तो स्टूडेंट्स आज हम आपको पढ़ाएंगे क्लास 8 हिस्ट्री चैप्टर 2 पार्ट सेकेंड स्टेट टू टेरिटरी द कंपनी एस्टेब्लिशेस पावर। इसमें आज हम आपको बताएंगे पार्ट 2 में क्वेश्चन आंसर। कल आपको हमने फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स ट्रू फॉल्स इत्यादि ये सारी चीज़ें बताई थी। व्हाट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 व्हाट अट्रैक्टेड यूरोपियन ट्रेडिंग कंपनीज टू इंडिया। आंसर यूरोपियन ट्रेडिंग कंपनी वर लुकिंग फॉर न्यू लैंड्स फ्रॉम which they could buy goods at a cheap price and carry them back to Europe to sell at higher prices. The fine qualities of cotton and silk produced in India had a big market in Europe. Spices like pepper, cloves, cardamom, and cinnamon too were in great demand. These were the regions that attracted European trading companies to India. What were the areas of conflict between the Bengal Nawabs and the East India Company? इसका आंसर दिया है After the British factory was set up in 1651 on the banks of the river Hooghly, the East India Company started allowing more of its merchants and traders to visit and settle down in the city of Bengal. The region that caused the conflict between Bengal. Question number 5. What were the areas of conflict between the Bengal Nawabs and the East India Company? तो इसका आंसर है After the first British factory was set up in 1651 on the banks of the river Hooghly, the East India Company started allowing more of its merchants and traders to visit and settle down in the city of Bengal. The region that caused the conflict between Bengal Nawabs and East India Company were A, B, C, D दिया गया है Nawab denied concession to the East India Company on many occasions. Nawab also demanded large tributes from the company. The company denied paying taxes. The company officials wrote insulting letters to the Nawabs. Question number 6 है How did the assumption of Diwani benefit the East India Company? इसका आंसर दिया गया है यहाँ पे आंसर है Diwani rights are the rights that the British acquired to collect their own revenues and have the authority to decide on civil cases. The right benefited the East India Company in several ways. ए बी सी 3 दिए गए हैं यहाँ पे आंसर इट अलाउड द कंपनी टू यूज ए वास्ट रेवेन्यू रिसोर्सेज ऑफ बंगाल द मोनोपोली ऑफ द ईस्ट इंडिया कंपनी ऑन ट्रेड स्टार्टेड रेवेन्यू ऑफ बंगाल वाज यूज टू एक्सपोर्ट इंडियन गुड्स आउट ऑफ द कंट्री एक्सप्लेन द सिस्टम ऑफ सब्सिडियरी अलायंस क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 है इसका आंसर यहाँ पे दिया गया है क्वेश्चन आप ऊपर देख सकते हैं The system of the subsidiary alliance made Indian rulers let go of their armed forces and come under the protection of the East India Company. The following changes occurred when this system came into being. The East India Company became the guardian of the territory that it took under the alliance. An English resident who served as the EIC's personnel was appointed in the territory to keep a check on the ruler. C पे आते हैं The Indian rules were asked not to allow any other European company to trade with them and enter their territory. D है Indian rulers were told to pay for the subsidiary armed forces to the EIC, disobeying which led to that part of the territory being forfeited by the company. Question number 8 पे आएंगे अब हम In what way was the administration of the company different from that of Indian rulers? इसका आंसर यहाँ पे दिया गया है The difference in the administration of the company and that of the Indian rulers is given below. एक तरफ है कंपनी एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन दूसरी तरफ है इंडियन रूलर्स एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन The company divided the territories into president. रूलर्स में है इंडियन रूलर divided the territories into district, पारंगना, तहसील एंड परिषद. कंपनी की तरफ है गवर्नर रूल द एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव यूनिट्स रूलर्स की तरफ है जमींदार और पीजेंट्स वर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर दियर यूनिट्स. कंपनी की तरफ है गवर्नर जनरल वाज द हेड ऑफ द स्टेट रूलर्स की तरफ गिव ऑफ किंग और नवाब वाज द हेड ऑफ द स्टेट. द इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ सेवरल एक्ट्स रेगुलेटिंग एक्ट इंडियन काउंसिल एक्ट रूलर की तरफ है इंडियन रूलर ब्रॉट नो सच एक्ट्स बट यूज टू रूल विद दियर फॉरमान्स. कंपनी की तरफ है दी इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द सेवरल एक्ट्स रेगुलेटिंग एक्ट इंडियन काउंसिल एक्ट मोनेटेगू केल्मसफोर्ड रिफॉर्म्स. रूलर की तरफ है इंडियन रूलर्स ब्रॉट नो सच एक्ट्स बट यूज टू रूल विद दियर फॉरमान्स. Describe the changes that occurred in the company's competition of the company's army. Question number 9 है इसका आंसर है the army of EIC was known as Sepoy Army. The main participants of the army were the peasants of India trained by the EIC to become professional soldiers. The major change in the EIC army was the domination of infantry over cavalry with the introduction of muskets, matchlocks to guard them. The company also introduced a uniform military culture where soldiers were given European training through drills and other exercise. धन्यवाद.